So I hope you're okay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this time it is in collaboration with the Blogger program. So I don't know if you guys know about the Blogger program or not, but they are basically a company that connects bloggers and influencers with brands. So they're really good. I'll pop all their details in the description box below. Make sure you check them out because, like I said, if you're a blogger or an influencer and you want to start working with brands, and the Blogger program are really good at helping you get connected with brands. So a few weeks ago now, I had an email pop up in my inbox, and it was from the Blogger program, and they wanted to know if I would like to get on board with one of their unboxings. So I'm pretty sure I've done the Blogger program unboxing before, quite a while ago now. This one though had a little bit of a twist on, as we kindly got invited to one Aldwych Hotel in London for an afternoon tea. Now, it wasn't any old afternoon tea, it was a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory inspired afternoon tea, which, oh my god, it was insane. I'm going to include a little bit of the footage now whilst I just speak about it so you can see what was on offer and what it looked like. But yeah, they basically came up with that concept because the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was on at the theatre around the corner, I believe. So they just thought it would tie in really nicely to do a sort of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory afternoon tea. But as the afternoon tea was just a massive success and everybody loved it, they decided to sort of just keep it going and yeah, just make it a little thing. And it's just really good because it just puts a little bit of a twist on an afternoon tea, I guess. So yeah, it was really yummy. We had like an assortment of sandwiches, and then the desserts were just insane. You had like a stick of candy floss which you had to guess the flavour of. Oh, it was just so good. I would like leave all the little clips so you can just see. Yeah, it was an absolutely lovely afternoon, so thank you so much to one Aldwych Hotel for having us. It was really lovely, and yeah, whilst I was there I got to catch up with the girls from the Blogger program, which was really lovely. And I also got gifted with my unboxing, which I'm now going to share with you. So super excited to get stuck into this. So I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got was a Blo Curl Me. So it is a ceramic brush barrel with unique detachable handles to create curls, volume, shine and smoothness. This looks so good. I've never actually seen anything like this before. Oh my god, so this is basically like, do you know how you have like rollers or like heated rollers? This is look like that, but this actually looks like it would work better. So you get 6 different sizes. And I feel like because they've actually got brush heads, they will really grip into your hair a lot better. And they also have clips so you can attach them to the barrels. This is what it looks like. This looks so good. I'm actually really excited to use this. Yeah, I'm going to test this out actually and let you know how I get on with this, because this could be really good. Okay, so next part of the unboxing is a box. Let's have a look what's inside. So the first thing we've got is a little note. So this is from the Blogger program. Just says, thank you very much so much for attending our Charlie and Chocolate Factory afternoon tea at one Aldwych Hotel. We hope you love your summer gift box as much as we do. We love that you are part of our ever-growing community with over 37 like-minded bloggers. Love the Blogger program. So that's really cute. Okay, so as you can see, there is so many goodies in this box. I'm just going to go through and show you what I have got. So let's just pick up the first thing I can see. So the first thing is from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and it is the Pippa X palette. So this is what it looks like. For you guys that haven't heard of Blank Canvas, they're obviously a makeup brand and they do some really lovely things. I've already got a brush set from Blank Canvas and the brush quality is like insane. They're so soft. I really like them. I've also actually got a palette, not this palette, a different palette from Blank Canvas, and again, really pigmented and really good quality. So I'm quite impressed with this brand. So yeah, I'd be interested to try another product from them. And this palette looks lovely. You get 6 eyeshadows and 3 face shades in the palette, so a highlight, a blush and a bronzer. So that's what the colours in the palette looks like. Really nice and sort of like neutrals, which you guys know is a little bit of me, so that is lovely. We also have another thing from Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and this is the starter or travel kit. So you get a 5-piece brush set. So it looks like you get a couple of face brushes, like an eyeshadow brush. Let me read on the back what it says. I've got double-ended brow and spoolie, a cube mini detailer, a blending brush, and then a flat buffer and a face and cheek blush brush. I can't get them words out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's have a little look in here actually. A really nice pouch, nice packaging. Oh, that's cute. And then it's like a I don't obviously think this is leather, it's like plastic, but it's like really, really good quality. It feels really, really nice. And then you have your 5 brushes inside, which look like that. As I already said, I do have some of their brushes and they are really, really good quality, so can't wait to use those. Right, the next thing we have, oh, it's another thing from Blank Canvas, sticking to blank canvas, and this is the upright standing patch. I've actually already used this, I've just put it back in the case, and I recently went to Dubai, you might have saw, and when I saw this in the gift box, I was like, oh my god, that is like ideal. So it's really, really good design. It literally looks nothing, but it's so good and handy. So it's simply just a pouch, but it's like a standing pouch. So it just simply sits on the side of like your vanity, so you can put all your brushes in there. I don't know about you, but I hate it when my brushes are just in like just like a pouch and I've got to like rummage through them. I much prefer having them like standing up so I can see which one I want and just grab it. So this makes it so nice when you're away on holiday. You don't have to take your brush pot with you. You can just put all your brushes in this and then stand it upright like that on the countertop, on wherever you're doing your makeup. So yeah, I think that's really, really good concept and a good idea. So I do really like that. Okay, next thing we have is something from a brand called Jecca. Now, I've never actually heard of this brand. So yeah, I can't really say that I know too much about them. And it's a correct and conceal palette and it's in light. Let's have a little look. So it's got that's the first sort of little casing that comes on it, and then we just have a colour corrector and a concealer which look like that. Really, really nice actually. The packaging is really nice, it looks really cute. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. I always like to try out a few new brands. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is something from Glamglow, and this is a gravity mud firming treatment. Don't know if you guys have ever tried Glamglow, but honestly their face masks are insane. I do actually already have the full size of this, and yeah, it's so, so good. This is a Sonic limited edition one. Let's have a look what it looks like. It's in a blue, and oh, it's got a little Sonic on it, so that's what it looks like. It's really, really cute. I suppose things like this size are like always really good to take away with you. So yeah, I love that. Next thing we have is from Nila Stockholm. I'm really bad with names, I'm so sorry. Yeah, but Nila, I think that's how you say it. So this is a structure repair mask, vegan, cruelty free, sulfate and paraben free, which is always good because things like that like really aggravate me. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells insane, and it looks quite thick as well. Do you know when them hair masks that look like really thick and you know it's going to be like deep conditioning? I can't wait to use that. Let me just show you what the packaging looks like. Really nice packaging again as well. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. Okay, so the next thing we've got is from Piz Buin. I think that's how you say it. I'm so bad at saying names. I never know how they're supposed to like be, I don't know how they're supposed to be said. Like, especially because they don't sound English, so I don't know, my pronunciation could be totally wrong. I definitely know who this brand is, I just never know how to say it. And this is just one of their ultra light hydrating sun sprays in 15. Oh, I actually thought this was a not a spray, a lotion, but I just realised at the top there's a spray. That's really cool. So yeah, factor 15, that'd be good for holiday. And I always like to spend a little bit more on sun creams and go for like a brand like this, because obviously they're a very, very well known brand in the sun cream market, and their stuff smells lovely and it's not like sticky and greasy. So yeah, I do really rate this brand. I took a factor 30 on holiday with me, so yeah, I know they're really good. Okay, next thing we have is a fake tan, and this is from a brand called Blo Hair. Every single like brand I swear is not English. Again, really sorry about my pronunciation if that doesn't sound totally right, but this is their dark rapid mousse face and body. Dries in 60 seconds, develops in 2 to 4 hours, golden olive tone, we always like golden olive, ready to wear colour, transfer and water resistant, even wear off. So yeah, this is a fake tan. So I do actually already know what this fake tan is like because I have been trialling, testing it and using it. You guys know that I am such a big fake tan user. I love fake tan. I don't tan on holidays, I don't sit in the sun, just purely because I like to look after my skin now. I've got a little bit older and realised that obviously like sitting out in the sun is so damaging for you. So yeah, I purely fake tan when I'm on holiday, and yeah, that's just generally what I do. So as you can imagine, when I saw that there was a fake tan in this box, I was super excited because I love trying new brands. I still have my firm favourite brands that I always use. But yeah, I was really like intrigued to try this one, and I've actually got it on now. This is after one wash off, guys, and it still looks beautiful. It is so even, just as it says. It's like a gorgeous like olivey colour. It was so funny because I actually applied this yesterday. This was before I'd washed it off, and I went round to Aaron's mum's house, and she was like, oh my gosh, you look an amazing colour, like you look lovely. It was this fake tan. So yeah, I already know this is really good, and I believe this is only around £20. I had a little sneak peek on the website just to see how much this is in case I repurchase, because so far I'm really liking this. And it also doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell, which is great. So yeah, I really do like that product a lot. Okay, last few things we have in the gift box is a WhiteGlo Extra Strength Whitening Toothpaste, Deep Stain Remover, Activated Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste. Another thing I've already been trialing and testing. I think it's good when I've like sort of tried things out of the box, and I can just sort of give you a little, you know, FYI. This is actually amazing. So this is, like I said, a charcoal whitening toothpaste, and I'm never really like sure about them, if I'm completely honest, because I just think a toothpaste, like what's a toothpaste going to do? It's not a teeth whitening kit. But honestly, I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and obviously I've got like veneers, so they're not going to change colour, but my bottom teeth have looked so much whiter. My bottom teeth are still my own teeth, and they are very, not very, but a little discoloured compared to obviously my top teeth. So yeah, I've seen a massive improvement using this, and not only that, my boyfriend has been using this, and he was like, oh my god, that toothpaste is so good, like what is it? And he said, look at my teeth, and it was so funny, like ran in showing me his teeth. So yeah, I definitely think this is really good. So you get the toothpaste and you also get the toothbrush. Again, I did have a little look on the website to see how much this was, because we was both saying to each other, like, how much do you reckon it would be? Because it obviously did work and was really good. And he was like, oh, I bet it's like £20. But it was only £5 on Boots. So yeah, really impressive, this stuff. Really nice taste to it as well. So that's the toothpaste. And the last thing in the box is from Bodyform. So these are the new black liners. Wow, that's actually really, really clever. I've never actually thought of that. So, as you guys know, it's normally white liners that you buy in shop, isn't it? But to be honest with you, a lot of people wear black underwear, not white. So, obviously, Bodyform have cleverly created some black liners. So, yeah, they'll just sit in your black underwear a lot more discreetly. And, yeah, that's really cool, actually. So yeah, that's from Bodyform. Okay, so that is everything I got in my gift box from the blogger program. I really, really hope you have enjoyed this. I just want to say a massive thank you again to the blogger program for letting me be a part of this, and obviously taking me for afternoon tea at one Aldwych Hotel in London. I had a really, really lovely time, and it's so lovely to be involved in things like this, because it also gives you a chance to try things on other brands. So yeah, I will leave everything in the description bar if you want to check anything out. Hope you're all okay. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.